Welcome to Natural Living Guide. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods that can help boost your immune system. We all want to stay healthy, especially during times when we're more susceptible to getting sick. The great news is that incorporating certain foods into your diet can naturally strengthen your body's defenses. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore 5 powerhouse superfoods that are easily accessible and can make a real difference in your overall health. 1. Berries are nutritional powerhouses. They're bursting with antioxidants, which are like little warriors fighting off harmful things in our bodies called free radicals. Free radicals can weaken our immune system, making us more likely to get sick. Think of antioxidants as our immune system's best friend. And berries? They're packed with them. We're talking about blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. The whole berry family is here to help. One of the key antioxidants in berries is called vitamin C. We've all heard of vitamin C, right? It's famous for giving our immune system a boost. Vitamin C helps our bodies produce more white blood cells, which are like the soldiers of our immune system fighting off infections. But berries don't stop there. They also contain fiber, which is essential for a healthy gut. And guess what? A healthy gut means a stronger immune system. It's all connected. So how can you add more berries to your diet? It's easy. Have a handful of mixed berries as a snack, add them to your yogurt or oatmeal in the morning, or blend them into a delicious smoothie. Remember, a diet rich in antioxidants is a recipe for a strong and healthy immune system. And berries are here to make it delicious. 2. Garlic. It's not just for warding off vampires. This humble bulb packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. This pungent little bulb has been used for centuries for its incredible medicinal properties. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, revered garlic for its healing powers. It's a natural antibiotic and antiviral, meaning it can help our bodies fight off infections. Whether it's a minor cold or a more serious infection, garlic has been a go-to remedy for ages. The secret weapon in garlic is a compound called allicin. This sulfur-containing compound is what gives garlic its distinctive smell and many of its health benefits. Allicin is released when garlic is crushed or chopped and has been shown to have potent antimicrobial effects. This means it can help kill harmful bacteria and viruses in our bodies. It basically helps our bodies fight off the bad guys. Bacteria, viruses, you name it. Think of it as nature's way of giving our immune system a helping hand. Studies have shown that garlic can actually reduce the severity of cold and flu symptoms. So next time you feel a tickle in your throat, reach for some garlic. So, if you're feeling under the weather, adding some extra garlic to your diet might help you bounce back faster. You can add it to your meals, make garlic tea, or even take garlic supplements. But the benefits of garlic go beyond just fighting off infections. It's also great for overall health and wellness. It can also help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. These cardiovascular benefits make garlic a heart-healthy choice, and even boost our immune system's response to stress. In today's fast-paced world, anything that helps manage stress is a welcome addition to our diet. Now, I know some people are hesitant to eat garlic because of its strong smell, but there are ways to enjoy garlic without the overpowering odor. But trust me, the health benefits are worth it. You can use garlic-infused oil or roasted garlic, which has a milder flavor and aroma. You can easily incorporate garlic into your cooking by adding it to soups, stews, stir-fries, and sauces. The possibilities are endless. Or even roasting it whole with vegetables. Roasted garlic becomes sweet and creamy, making it a delicious addition to any meal. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can try eating a clove of raw garlic on an empty stomach. It's a popular natural remedy for boosting immunity. Just be prepared for the strong taste. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some garlic. It's a small addition to your cart that can make a big difference in your health. Your immune system will thank you. Embrace the power of garlic and enjoy its numerous health benefits. 3. Leafy greens are like the superheroes of the vegetable world. They might not wear capes, but they sure do pack a punch when it comes to boosting our health. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for a healthy immune system. We're talking about spinach, which is not only versatile but also incredibly nutritious. Kale, known for its dense nutrient profile, and collard greens, which have been a staple in many traditional diets for their health benefits. Swiss chard, all those leafy green vegetables your parents always told you to eat. They knew what they were talking about. One of the key nutrients in leafy greens is vitamin A. This vitamin is crucial for many bodily functions. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of our mucous membranes, which are the body's natural barriers. These membranes act as a barrier against infections, keeping harmful pathogens at bay. Think of your mucous membranes as the first line of defense in your body, standing guard to protect you. And vitamin A helps keep them strong and effective in their role. Leafy greens are also a good source of vitamin C, another powerhouse nutrient. Vitamin C, as we discussed earlier, is essential for immune function. It helps in the production and function of white blood cells. Vitamin C helps our bodies produce those powerful white blood cells that fight off infections, keeping us healthy. And let's not forget about the fiber in leafy greens. Fiber is often overlooked but is incredibly important. Fiber is essential for a healthy gut, aiding in digestion and promoting a balanced gut microbiome. And a healthy gut means a stronger immune system. It's all connected. A well-functioning gut can help fend off illnesses. So, how can you incorporate more leafy greens into your diet? It's easier than you might think. You can add them to smoothies for a nutrient boost, toss them into salads for a fresh crunch, or even blend them into soups for added flavor and nutrition. Or even sauté them as a side dish. The possibilities are endless. Get creative and experiment with different recipes. You might discover a new favorite dish. Remember, eating a variety of leafy greens is key to getting a wide range of nutrients. Each type offers something unique. So mix it up and enjoy the immune-boosting benefits of these nutritional powerhouses. Your body will thank you for it. 4. When we think of boosting our immune system, citrus fruits immediately come to mind, and for good reason. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are bursting with vitamin C, which is a crucial nutrient for immune function. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Remember, free radicals can weaken our immune system, making us more susceptible to infections. But vitamin C does more than just fight off free radicals. It also helps our bodies produce more white blood cells, which are the soldiers of our immune system, fighting off infections. Studies have shown that vitamin C can actually shorten the duration of the common cold. So, if you do happen to get sick, increasing your vitamin C intake might help you recover faster. Citrus fruits are incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. You can enjoy them fresh, squeeze them into juice, add them to smoothies, or use them to flavor your water. And here's a little tip. The vitamin C content in citrus fruits is highest when they're ripe, so choose fruits that are firm and heavy for their size. So next time you're feeling under the weather or just want to give your immune system a boost, reach for a juicy citrus fruit. 5. Ginger is a powerful root that has been cherished for its medicinal properties for centuries. It has been a staple in traditional medicine across various cultures, known for its incredible health benefits. Ginger is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can significantly boost our immune system. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can weaken our immune system, making us more susceptible to illnesses. Chronic inflammation can lead to a host of health issues, including fatigue and a higher risk of infections. Ginger contains powerful compounds called gingerols and shogols, which have potent anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds help reduce inflammation and can alleviate pain and discomfort associated with it. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger is also a rich source of antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can weaken our immune system over time. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to various health issues. Ginger is also known to have antiviral properties, which means it can help our bodies fight off viruses and infections. Studies have shown that ginger can be effective in reducing nausea and vomiting, which are common symptoms of the flu and other illnesses. So, how can you incorporate ginger into your diet? You can add fresh ginger to smoothies, soups, stir-fries, and even desserts for a spicy kick. Or, you can brew it into a soothing tea that can help alleviate symptoms of colds and flu. Ginger is also available in supplement form, but it's always best to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplements to ensure it's right for you. Remember, ginger is a powerful root with many health benefits, including boosting our immune system and fighting off infections. So next time you're feeling under the weather or just want to give your health a boost, reach for some ginger. Incorporating ginger into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your overall well-being. There you have it. 5 incredible superfoods that can naturally boost your immune system. Remember, a healthy diet is essential for a strong immune system, and incorporating these superfoods into your meals is a delicious and easy way to support your overall health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes and is not medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. Stay healthy, everyone.